Create your own snake game in Excel VBA. Create 2 additional label fields. Right-click the first sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click the Label control in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in User Form 1. Label 401 is now located in User Form 1. In the same way, create another label, Label 402. Double-click User Form 1 in the VBA editor with the left mouse button. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet, and then open the input form. The formatted labels from Label 401 to Label 402 are displayed.